Chemistry in medicine. Chemistry is a huge part of medicine. It works both as a diagnostic and a treatment tool. Departments in hospital medical labs analyze blood, urine, and other things for proteins, sugars, and other metabolic and inorganic substances. Electrolyte tests are a routine blood analysis, testing things like potassium and sodium. Most medicals are involved with inhibiting a specific enzyme or the expression of a gene. Since enzymes are proteins, their functions differ based on the shape, and inhibitor drugs must be customized for each target enzyme. This requires chemistry. Chemistry in food. I'm gonna say some examples about how chemistry is involved in food. Agricultural chemists help develop chemicals to increase crop production and work to make pesticides against pests. Food chemists help with processing, packing, preserving, storing, and distributing foods and drinks to make them safe for consumers. Soil and plant chemists examine the scientific composition of soil and its effect on plants to develop methods to conserve and manage them.
I'm going to talk about what is the use of chemistry in warfare. It involves using the toxic properties of chemical substances as weapons. Chemical warfare is different from the use of conventional weapons or nuclear weapons because the destructive effects of chemical weapons are not primarily due to an explosive force. However, the use of non-living toxic products produced by living organisms, toxins such as botulinum toxin, ricin, and saxitoxin, is considered chemical warfare under the provisions of the Chemical Weapons Convention, CWC. Under this convention, any toxic chemical, regardless of its origin, is considered a chemical weapon unless it is used for purposes that are not prohibited.
Chemistry in global warming. The term global warming refers to an increase in Earth's mean global temperature because a part of Earth's outgoing infrared radiation is retained by several trace gases in the atmosphere whose concentrations have been increasing because of human industrial, commercial, and agricultural activities. These gases have the ability to absorb radiation, leading to a tendency of the atmosphere to create warmer climates that would otherwise be the case. The most important naturally occurring trace gases that have the ability to absorb infrared radiation are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and ozone.
Three possible solutions. Solution number 1. The principal problem of the melting ice caps is the global warming. So, the first and principal solution is to combat global warming. You can reduce, reuse, and recycle. Solution number 2. The solution number 2 is very easy, to plant trees. You can plant a tree in every place on the world, except on contaminated territories. Solution number 3. Scientists have invented new biofuel technologies for cars, for plants of industrialization. So we can start using biofuel technologies.
So in conclusion, chemistry has contributed in the improvement of many fields, like agricultural industry, food industry, medical area, but also has brought some problems with it, like its presence in the warfare, in the global warming that has really bad consequences, like the melting of the polar ice caps. Chemistry in global warming. The term global warming refers to an increase in Earth's mean global... No, espera, otra. Chemistry in global warming. Chemistry in global warming. The term global warming refers to an increase in Earth's mean global temperature because of Earth...
No te
No se pongan a
distraigas.
comer aquí.
Qué rico está esto.
Porque me distraen.
¿Quieres?
No, gracias.